everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve a sweat-proof makeup look with this Maybelline Fit Me primer, and it also has SPF in it. I'm also going to be using this Believe Beauty matte setting spray, and I'm also going to be using a few other things just so I can achieve this sweat-proof makeup look because y'all, it is summertime. It is hot weather, man. It's not even all the way summertime. It's still spring, y'all. And I know in Arkansas, it is getting up to 90 degrees. And it's hot and it's humid. But if you are anywhere where it's getting hot, like which I'm pretty sure it is, um, I hope this video finds you. And I hope you get some tips from this video so you can go out looking good for the summertime. So without further ado, let's get into it, y'all. But let's not sleep on this foundation either because it is the Clean Invisible foundation by CoverGirl, and ever since I've been using it, I've been loving it too. Like, this is a really good foundation, especially when you don't want something too heavy on your face, and I think it's just the right fit for the summertime. Like, you can, you wear foundation, but you don't have to like just pound it on. Okay, y'all, right here I'm gonna just be taking my beauty blender and my setting spray, and I'm just gonna spritz it on the beauty blender, and going in with my beauty blender I'm just gonna blend my foundation some more. And also, like, doing this will help achieve that sweat proof makeup look, so when you be out, your face won't be looking a hot mess. Let me tell y'all about this e.l.f. Camo concealer. Ever since I had this concealer, I have always loved using it. This is my go-to. So if y'all want that coverage, y'all need to pick this up. And y'all know that Dollar General sells almost all the e.l.f. products now. So if you can't order online, just go to your nearest Dollar General and pick this up. Okay, I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm not one of those girlies to go to the store or to order makeup online every time something new goes out. I use something until I run out, especially when it's something that I love. And this Maybelline 36 hour wear concealer, it hits the spot. This is another one of my favorite concealers, like ever since I picked it up from Walgreens. I've been using it ever since, and it does not fail me. I have also had this LYS matte bronzer for a while, and it does the job every time. Um, Even though it is a little bit darker, I really love how smooth this bronzer, how smooth it is on my skin, and how blendable it is. And I just like how it just blends in with my skin. FYI, y'all, I am not a makeup expert, and I don't claim to be. I am not an MUA. This is just something that I love to do. This is just a hobby of mine, and I know what works for me, and I stick with it. So if you are one of those persons, let me know in the comment section. Okay, y'all, we have to take a trip back to Dollar General with this Believe Beauty bronzer. I like this bronzer right here because it has a shimmer to it, and this place is gonna snatch up my cheekbones. So yeah, so we can have that snatched look for the summertime, and we can have that sun kissed glow. This is another judgment zone. So don't laugh at me, y'all. I remember seeing this viral blush on TikTok, and little did I know it was a dupe to the e.l.f. cosmetic blush that they have out. But guess what, y'all? I got this from Dollar Tree for $1.25. Not saying that e.l.f. isn't affordable, but like you have to understand, like everybody's affordability is not the same. So if you can go to Dollar Tree and pick this up for $1.25, why not? Because look how pigmented this blush is. And look, y'all, like I'm not gonna lie. I thought this was gonna be an epic fail with how I was putting this blush on because I was trying to do that. Is it the sun kissed blush look? That's what I was trying to do. And yeah, I thought it was gonna be a fail. But just wait to see how it turns out. Just you gotta trust the process with this. This is another one that I'm gonna use it and I'm gonna stick beside it. And this is the Black Radiance Soft Focus powder. And I've been using this forever to set under my eyes and everything. And plus, I really like how it matches my skin tone. It just blends in so well, and it sets on and it gives my eyes a brighter look. Okay, y'all, I gotta tell y'all about this L'Oreal 36-hour wear um setting spray because I wore this at a concert I went to my birthday, and y'all, my makeup did not budge. Okay, y'all, this is the final look right here. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comment section below. And this makeup look was basically inspired by the weather because in Arkansas it's very hot and it's very humid, and technically it's still springtime and we are in like 90-degree weather. So if this sweat proof makeup looks help somebody, which I hope it does, let me know if you try this makeup look in the comment section below. Happy summer. It's the beginning of June, y'all. And I'm back because I get a little break from work and everything. So I can create more content. So I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.